What's up, guys? I welcome you to my channel, JIT Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. This channel content has to do with CorelDraw, Illustrator, and Photoshop. If you want to learn graphics design, all you have to do is to subscribe to this channel. Free tutorial from Monday to Friday in CorelDraw, Adobe Illustrator, and Adobe Photoshop. Whenever you visit my channel, all you have to do is to make sure you click on the video. When you click on video, you'll be able to see the present and past tutorial in CorelDraw, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator, both beginner and advanced tutorial. So when you click on the video, remember to scroll down to see my past and present tutorial in CorelDraw, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator. So if you want to learn graphics from the beginning to advanced, this channel is the best for you. So let's get today's tutorial started. Welcome back, guys. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how you can make a colorful business card in Corel X7. If you are watching my video for the first time, please remember to subscribe to this channel for more interesting video in Corel X7. Right? So I'm going to start this tutorial from the beginning. I will drag all this from one side. Good. Now, the tutorial size is this. The business card size is 3.75 by 2.25 width. Next, I will select my rectangle now from the toolbar. Then I will select my rectangle. I will make a rectangle of a simple size of, let me type the figure here, 1.009 by 1.009. Then I'll press enter. This is my rectangle size. Next, I will make a duplicate of this rectangle into 3 places. But before I do that, I will have to make use of my pen tools. And I'll make a path. I can select everything. Now click on group. Then I'll go to edit. I'll make a copy. Then back to edit again. I will select paste. Now the duplicate one I will drag and snap to the edge. Then I'll make a duplicate again. I go to edit, make a copy. Edit again. I'll make a paste. Then I'll drag and snap to the point. Now I will ungroup everything. I'll make a duplicate again. I go to edit, copy, edit again, paste. Before I drag, I will take this to the top here, and I will rotate. Snap. Then the duplicate one here, I will drag to the top. Snap to the object. Okay. Then I'll change the property size to 2.162 by 0.835. Then I'll press enter on my keyboard. Good. Now make sure it's snapped to this object here. Better still, I can grab my ruler and snap here. Then I'll drag this and make sure it's snapped to the ruler. Good. So at this point here, I can delete this stroke here. And I can come here also and ungroup. Then I'll delete this stroke here also. Good. Then I can right click on the ruler and click on delete. Then I can select everything and choose Grow from the menu bar. Then I can press P to centralize on my keyboard, so everything looks good. One other thing I'm going to do is to go back to my toolbar again. I will select circle. And I press that Control key and make a perfect circle. Then I'll make a duplicate. Then I'll make a stroke, or I'll make a rectangle. So I will adjust the rectangle. Okay, let me make another one. Okay, now make sure I select this, Shift key and this. Then I'll make sure I group. Then I press Shift key and select the rectangle. And I'll press C and E on my keyboard just to align it. Next, I'll go back to my toolbar and select my Smart Fit tools. Having select Smart Fit tool, then I'll fill this place, and then I'll fill this place, this, and this. Good. Then I can delete this. Then I'll just wait. Now I can change the color to white. Good. Now I'll change this color. Before I do that, I will delete this circle. Now I will change this color to red. I will change this color to sky blue. Now I'll go back to my toolbar and double click the rectangle to make a page border. Now I will select my eye color dropper tool. So you can see the color code here. We have cyan 81, magenta 67, yellow 62, black and 83. So I'll pick the color. I'll drop it down here. Then I'll select this, ungroup. I'll click on this. I will fill this with green. I'll fill this with violet blue. This one with sky blue, and this one with red. Good. Next, I'll go to my menu bar here and click on import icon. Now look for my picture. So I'm going to make use of this. I'll click on import. Then I'll go to my effects, power clip, place inside this frame. Then edit power clip. So I can adjust the picture here. Then click on this icon. Go. Next, I'll make a duplicate of all this text here. I'll right click, order to front of page. Good. Then group. Shift key and click on this C and E. Good. I'll group everything together. Z, F. Good. Lastly, I'll make a duplicate of this text and drop it down here. Right click, order, front of page. Now press Shift key on my keyboard and click on the green. I'll press C and E on my keyboard. Next, I'll click on this on group. We'll grab this text and drop it down here. And I can select all this and group. Now press Shift key on my keyboard and select the text. And press C on my keyboard. Now finally, I'll group everything together. I can take it up with my arrow key. Then I can select all this and press delete on my keyboard. So this is how you make a simple colorful business card in Corel 7. If you enjoyed this video, click like button and also remember to subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos in CorelDraw. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.